one is 13 pi over 6. And it has r, so r comma theta. So we know that r is going to be a radius of 3. So instead of doing the unit circle, we're now going to be going on this third ring, right? And theta is 13 pi over 6, which if we think about that, that is larger than a revolution, right? Because we got to kind of remember, yeah, the reference angle is pi over 6. I mean, we should be familiar with this. If you just look at angles on the unit circle, if we're going halfway around circle is pi, which in terms of 6 is 6 pi over 6. All the way around would be 2 pi, which is same thing as 12 pi over 6. So if we're trying to get to 13 pi over 6, that just means we're going an extra pi over 6, right? So that coordinate point right there is just a pi over 6 over. So really, I could rewrite this, and this is the important thing. I could rewrite this as 3 pi over 6. Wouldn't you guys agree that those are the exact same coordinate points? Yeah, they're just differently. And that's going to become important when we get into the next section. But anyways, it's easier to graph this as long as you guys understand that these two are coterminal angles because they're a difference of 2 pi away from each other. So I just kind of go over pi over 6 would be like right here, but I'm going to radius 3. So if you think of this being like 30 degrees, if you just kind of like extend that arc, like as a flat line, you could see like that is where my angle would be, right? So just kind of like extend the angle to help you sketch it. All right, and there is B. Then for C, did anybody get C? Hands raised.